Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the POV Camera Disposable Cam app. But before we get into the details, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So links in the description down below for you guys to check out. Now let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it here on Reddit. And if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that will let you recreate a disposable cam look. So as you can see from Reddit here, shout out to the POV Disposable Camera App. My wedding was this last week and we used POV instead of disposable cameras and it was amazing. We download the app, make a QR code for our event that guests use, they scan it and open up a web page where they were allotted a number of pictures. We chose 35 to take throughout the night. Then after 24 hours, everyone who has the link can go back and see everyone's photos in chronological order. It was super fun for our guests and we got to see the night from their perspective right away without having to get them developed. So this app seems to be pretty legit and many people are praising this app since it is pretty good. And instead of buying disposable cams, which can be very expensive, you can just use this app for everyone's perspective. And that's basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.